Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. And we are September the 1st, 2020. And as we are moving ahead in this year in this very unusual year with COVID and everything, this is the Windows version market shares that we are now checking out. These are the market share for different versions of Windows up to the past. And what is this data showing us for? This is for, of course, the month of August. We're looking at, well, Windows 10 dominating at 73.76% this for the month of August. If we look at this number, which is 73.76, the month of July was at 73.05. So it's 0.75% increase after being pretty much stalled for the past 3 months or so. It's been kind of stalled. So there's an increase here at 73.76, almost 0.75%, 73.05 up to 73.76. So that's not bad. And, you know, as we move on, of course, slowly Windows 10 will progress. But, you know, I think, two things happened that made Windows 10 move at a certain pace. There was the release of Windows 10, but there was also, in the first year, of free upgrade. But the second thing that kind of would have bumped up Windows 10, and that's what we saw this year, is Windows 7 end of support that made Windows 10 adoption quicker in the first months of the year. So when you look at January, February, and March, there was and even April, there's a pretty good increase in the Windows 10 operating system. Then you have second version of most popular, which is Windows 7, at 19.44%. 19.44% is, you know, more than 0.5% down from July. If we look at, you know, where it's moving, July, June, and August, and May, were pretty much all, you know, stable. But now the decline 0.5% is showing up. And, you know, we're a little more than 0.5% on the Windows 10 increase. So I guess some machines might have been upgraded to the latest version of Windows. Then we have Windows 8.1 at 4.47%, with Windows 8 1.07, so it's 5.5% basically for Windows 8. We have Windows XP at 0.82% and Windows Vista at 0.41% in this data. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and hope you enjoy our videos.